Hi, I'm Nick Cliffel, and today I'm going to talk about the Unified Component API, otherwise known as UCA. Swathi is also part of this work as well. So, the goal of the UCA project is the unification of the intelligent middleware technologies, otherwise known as IMT, group tools and components into a single API with a unified user interface. Really, we want to simplify the use of IMT tools, reduce the barrier to entry, and increase the usability of these tools. Previously, IMT tools and components had different startup and teardown procedures and utilized different interfaces. Over here on the right, we asked how people use their and run their tools, and we got a variety of different answers. So, uh, UCA was really a five-step plan for design and implementation. The first step was identifying relevant IMT components. We identified the smart scheduler, the smart compiler, RefDNN, uh, Cyber Infrastructure Knowledge Network, otherwise known as CKN, and Model Commons. And then we went through one-on-one interviews. And in the top of this slide, you can see some of the questions we asked. And then we went through the design phase and standardization of user interfaces. We came up with this narrow waist diagram, which you can see right here. And then we also came up with this IMT component interface, which you can see right here. The fourth stage was design of class structures, and the fifth stage was implementation of the unified framework. So here you can see the class structure for the smart scheduler, and the major takeaway is that multiple interfaces implement this interface, which means that their interface has to implement that interface. And this interface is the IMT component class, which we showed earlier. And then the key takeaway and result from this is that it really reduces uh, the work you have to do to implement a new version and increases plug and play. So if you wanted to implement a new smart scheduler of some type, you only have to implement four classes, which you can see here with the four red block boxes. Thank you.